Hello, in this video I'm going to show you power user workflows with the SPen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, currently the SPen is inside the phone, writing here. And now, usually when the screen is turned off and when you take out your SPen, you'll be able to create a really quick annotation, quick note. As you take a look, I took out the SPen and now we have this place in which we can write. Press the pen button and tap the screen to start a note when the screen is off. So that's how you can, during the day, let's say that you have some idea and you need to take a quick note, for example, because you don't want to forget about something. So that's the one when you can take out the SPen and now you can quickly write the thing. Let's say, call John because today is his birthday. And let's say, let's add the hour, I don't know, 5 p.m. Okay, then if you click on save, it will be automatically saved to the Samsung Notes. Now you can, for example, place your phone back into your pocket because you have other things that you need to do. And everything is, of course, fully saved in the Samsung Notes. You can check it out that if you open it up, we have our handwritten note writing here. Call John, because today is his birthday. And that's like a quick reminder for us that we should remember about it. And now we simply know that today is the birthday of John and we won't forget about it. So that is a really cool thing, the SPen, for creating a quick annotation during the day, just like I have shown you. It also said that if the screen is off, you can take your pen, hold the key, and then tap to start writing a quick annotation. Everything works, as you take a look. Okay, if you want to save, click the button. Now, let's open up the Samsung Notes itself, our app. I'm wondering why I have the light mode. Let me quickly change that. I mean the dark mode, okay. Back into Notes. In here, of course, during the day you can manually open the Samsung Notes and take some handwritings. Everything is working. If you double tap, you can of course change the color. If you want to use the rubber, you don't need to click right in here. You just need to hold the button on your SPen and the rubber is now working, so we can get rid of the text. Also in here we have the quick panel, but more about it in a second. In the Samsung Notes, we can also change the note style. So for example, if you are taking your hand notes, let's say that we would like to have the lined style. Click on apply, current page, and now we have the lines in which we can take our notes. Of course, the note will be saved in the Samsung Notes after you're done. Okay. Now, let's go to the settings and to our SPen, scroll down, advanced features, find the SPen, and let's begin with the air comment maybe. Tap on that. We have two menu styles, standard or the compact. Currently I have the standard mode and I'll stick to it. And we can add shortcuts into our menu. The menu is this pencil icon right in here. We can customize this menu by clicking on the shortcuts. We can, for example, get rid of the camera because I'm not using that feature, and same thing for the Creative Studio. And let's say that instead of that, I would like to have maybe contacts, notes, and let's say the reminder app. Okay, now go back. It has been saved. I'll show you that in this menu now we have the things that we have added manually. You can also click on add writing here. You need to go through the settings. Okay, we have the air view down below, previews and pointer only or previews only. In my case, I'm a fan of this mode that is currently selected. Also, as you place your S Pen above the screen a little bit, you can see the small dot. I hope you can see it. And it simply shows you where you are pointing at. Okay, we have the feature called S Pen to text. Also pretty useful thing. If you're using the S Pen during the day, you don't need to, press the buttons on the keyboard to enter the text. In the text box, you can handwrite what you want to enter and it will appear. It will be converted into normal text. Let me show you that. We can actually do it in the settings. Okay, we have our search box. And now, when you see this icon, this line, it means that now we can start handwriting. Let's say that in the settings I'm looking for Galaxy AI, and you can see that my handwritten note has been automatically converted into normal letters, and now I have access into Galaxy AI. Of course, it also works, for example, in the browser. Let me show you that. I'll use Chrome. Okay, let's say that I want to type, I don't know what. I wanted to type Amazon. Didn't work. Let's do it again. Okay, and now it worked perfectly. Of course, if you want to switch into normal keyboard, you have this small bar. In here you can also create a space, add some emojis, delete the letter, or go into normal keyboard mode, and now you can start typing like that. But in my personal opinion, the handwriting is much more comfortable than typing, manually on the keyboard using the S Pen. Okay, so that's the thing, S Pen to text. Let's go back into the settings of our S Pen, advanced features, S Pen. Okay, when S Pen is removed, you can select what will happen. You can open a comment, create note, or do nothing. Let's say that I'll stick to do nothing. But let me show you what will happen when you pick the create note. But first I need to enter the S Pen back to the hole. Okay, and now when I will take it out, you can see that the Notes app automatically has been turned on, and now I can quickly start taking notes, or for example draw something just like I did right now. For now I'll stick to do nothing. We have screen of memos, write notes. When the screen is off, just remove the S Pen and start writing. That's actually the thing that I have shown you in the beginning of the video. And we also have the quick notes. Press and hold the pen button, then tap the screen twice with your S Pen to create a new note. So we need to hold the button on our pen, now double tap, and the Notes app again appeared. So that's a pretty cool shortcut. Of course, you can navigate through phone fully. You can select the things just like normally. For example, you are in the internet. You can copy the text on the pages. Simply hold just like with your finger, and now you can select the text. You can, for example, copy it, share with it, and many more. I'll show you that. I'll create a new note, and I will paste the thing that I have copied. Oh, something went wrong. Let's do it again. Okay, copy. Boom. Okay, I know why. The text is white, so that is why we don't see anything. So that's the reason why we don't see anything. But the text has been copied, as you could see, because I have selected it and it worked. Okay, I'm wondering if there's something more that I want to show you when it comes to the SPen, but I think that it's simply the best for taking notes. Or for example, if you want to make a signature under some document, or I don't know what else, but you can simply take out your SPen. For example, if you have some PDF file, you can open it up and then you can click on edit button right in here, for example, the screen right. On the screen right, you'll be able to create a screenshot and you can draw something. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.